Installing apps on a Hisense Smart TV is simple once you know where to find the right option in the menu. In this video, I will show you how to install apps on a Hisense Smart TV step by step. Hisense TVs usually run Android or Google TV or VIDAA, so the menu may look a little different depending on your model. I'll also show common problems people face when trying to download apps and how to fix them. Let's start with installing apps on a Hisense Android TV or Google TV. Turn on your TV and go to the home screen. From there, move to the Apps section and open it. Inside this section, look for the option called Get More Apps and select it. This will open the Google Play Store on your TV. If the TV asks you to sign in with your Google account because the Play Store requires a Google account before you can download apps. Once the Google Play Store opens, you will see many apps available for your TV. You can scroll through the apps to browse them, or you can use the search icon to find a specific app. Move to the search option and type the name of the app you want to install. When the app appears in the search results, select it to open the app page. On this page, choose Install. The TV will start downloading the app and then install it automatically. Wait for the installation to finish. After that, you can open the app from that screen or press the home button on your remote and find the app in the Apps section on your TV. If you want the app easier to access, go back to the home screen and move to the plus icon. Select the plus icon and choose the app you installed so it appears with your other main apps. If you want to change where the app appears, highlight the app on the home screen and press and hold the OK button on your remote. A small menu will appear. Select Move, then place the app wherever you want on the home screen. Now let's install apps on a Hisense TV that uses the VIDAA system. Turn on your TV and press the home button on the remote. This will open the main screen where you will see a row of apps. Scroll through this row until you find the App Store and open it. This will open the VIDAA App Store where you can download apps for your TV. Inside the App Store, you will see different apps available on the main page. You can browse through them, or you can go to the search icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Use the search option to type the name of the app you want to install. When you find the app, select it to open its page. On that page, choose Download or Install. The TV will start installing the app. Wait for the installation to complete. After that, return to the home screen. The app will appear in the app bar where it may show at the beginning of the row or be placed in alphabetical order. Now let's go through a few common problems you may face when installing apps on a Hisense TV. If you search for an app and it does not appear, the app may not be available for your TV's operating system. Try searching again using the search icon to make sure the name is correct. If the app still does not appear, it may not be supported on your TV. If the Google Play Store asks you to sign in before installing an app, this is normal on Android or Google TV models. You must sign in with a Google account before installing apps. Sign in first, then try installing the app again. If the app finishes installing, but you cannot find it, go back to the home screen and check the app row again. Newly installed apps may appear at the beginning of the row or may be sorted in alphabetical order. If typing the app name takes too long using the remote, press the Google Assistant button on your remote and say the name of the app you want to install. If the app is installed but hard to find on the home screen, highlight the app and press and hold the OK button on the remote. A menu will appear. Select Move and place the app closer to the front of the home screen so it is easier to access. That's it for this video on how to install apps on a Hisense Smart TV. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you download and install the apps you want without any confusion. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. If you have any questions or if one of these methods worked for you, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.